RT-1209B touchscreen metal detector. Start up first. Press the green power button to start up. The machine screen lights up. Then start setting up the product. For example, this product. We select the menu key, then click Auto Set. Select Run. The conveyor belt will turn. There will be a prompt on the screen to place the product. Next, put the product on. Always cycle through the product. After setting, the machine will stop automatically. Then we can start using it now. Return to the main interface. This is the Start button. After startup, it will be displayed here. We now put in the product. Then put the test card. Blue card, stainless steel 1.5 mm. And then pass it together with the product. Alarm and shutdown will be prompted after detection. And the red light will also be displayed on this screen. Pass again. When metal is detected, the red light will flash here on the screen. Then the alarm light will flash. When the normal qualified product passes, this row of flashing green lights, for example, through a qualified product, there was no alarm. And here is the green light on the screen. Non-ferrous 1.0 mm. Red card ferrous 0.8 mm. Next, we will introduce the functions of the operation interface. This button is the product catalog. There are 200 products that can be switched. Each different product, different directories can be selected. Select Use after setting. The second is the menu key of the product. After entering, the first is the name of the product. Can be set arbitrarily. Select OK. When returning to the main interface, the name just set is displayed here. The second is the automatic setting function. Just operate as before. The third is the manual setting function. Sensitivity can be set manually. In general, product placement is automatically set. Because of manual setting, the value is not accurate. The fourth is product parameters. The first line is sensitivity. Sensitivity value of iron represented by X. Y is the sensitivity value of non-ferrous metals and stainless steel. The higher the value, the higher the accuracy. Generally, the value of X is less than that of Y. The second line is gain. 1 to 4. It also has something to do with sensitivity. For ordinary products, the default here is 4. The third line indicates the alarm mode. The first is the function of alarm shutdown. The second is alarm rewind return. The third is the automatic culling function. When our metal detector is equipped with a knockout device, be sure to select this culling function. The second is alarm rewind return. In case of adding eliminate device, we'll use these two functions. This is the elimination delay time. This is the hold time of elimination, that after the metal foreign body is detected. After how many seconds, the elimination starts. The retention time of elimination means that after the unqualified products are eliminated, how many seconds will it hold and then take it back. When the culling function is selected, you need to set the values of these two items. Now this machine has no elimination device, so alarm shutdown is selected by default. The sixth is photoelectric induction. Here's an infrared sensor. This is a technical function. The test product must have a certain thickness. For example, this thick product. Generally, no adjustment is required. If the test product is thin, when the light cannot irradiation the product, you must choose to close. After select open, this detection time indicates that when the product passes through, the infrared sensor senses the product. After how many seconds, the device starts to respond. The current setting is 500 milliseconds. Phase has been set before leaving the factory. Generally, no adjustment is required. When used in general, only need to set sensitivity and detection mode. And the elimination time and photoelectric induction. Different test products. After automatic setting, this sensitivity can also be fine-tuned. For example, first return to the main interface and click Run. After placing the test product, these two green lines, look at the X and Y green lines. These two wires are almost one grid or two grids. In this case, the sensitivity can be adjusted higher. Normally, the normal sensitivity is to flash the green light within 4 grids. For example, set the value of X to 230. Set the value of Y to 350. And then through this product. You can see the green light flashing 3 or 4 grids now. This sensitivity is appropriate. Then pass a product. It means that this sensitivity is almost the limit. It cannot be adjusted too high, or the machine may start false alarm. Note that the value of X must be less than Y. Click back. Click Inspection Record. When the equipment needs to set technical functions, open here. Technical function and query function are required. Be sure to check these two items and select Allow. If prohibited, through the product, there is no technical function. These two items must be allowed. This is the query function. For example, the product test record just now. Passing time, alarm time, product number, and the detection time, accurate to milliseconds. This is system configuration. This can set the brightness of the screen. Can be set arbitrarily. This is the language setting. Chinese and English optional. This is a gearbox that can adjust the conveyor belt speed. If it is a constant speed motor, there is a governor inside. This is a frequency converter. Adjust downward to reduce the conveyor belt speed. Adjust upward to increase conveyor belt speed. Obviously, this is faster. This is the emergency stop button. Press the emergency stop button, conveyor belt stop operation. Turn the knob up and the conveyor belt will run.